Good morning. Now, exercise 10.2, question number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segment BD and DC into which BC divides by the point of contact D are of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find AB and AC. In this question, we have given triangle ABC whose radius circumscribe a circle. It is circumscribe a circle, radius 4 cm. D is a point of contact. Lines are made BD and CD, BD and DC, into which BC divides in the point of contact D are of BD is equal to 8 cm and CD is equal to 6 cm respectively. Find AB and AC. Find AB and AC. Now circle touch the triangle, sides of triangle BC and D, AB and E, and AC and F. Circle touch the triangle at side AB, BC and AC at point E, D and F. Now join OE and OF. Join OE and OF. OE and OF. Also join OA, OC and OB. Also join OA, OC and OB. Here we join. These are OD, OE and OF is equals to radius of circle. Its measure is radius is equals to 4 cm. Therefore, it is 4, 4 and 4. And it is the point of contact, that is, we know theorem, they are right. Now, OE, our triangle ABC, triangle A, B and C. We know that BD is equals to B, BD is equals to B. They are tangent touch the circle and it also is equals to 8 cm. Similarly, CD is equals to CF. CD is equals to 6 cm. Therefore, CF is equals to 6 cm. Now, take AE is equals to AF. AF is equals to X. Here it is AE is equals to AF and they are X cm. Therefore, AB is equals to X plus 8 cm. BC, AC is equals to X plus 6 cm. And BC is equals to 14 cm. Here, our figure. Now, also join OA OA, OB and OC. BD is equals to what is measured? BD is equals to BE is equals to 8 centimeter. Similarly, CD is equals to CF is equals to 6 centimeter by here. We know it is by using theorem. Now, take let AE is equals to AF is equals to X. AE is equals to AF is equals to X. So, AB is equals to AE plus BE is equals to X plus A. AC is equals to AF plus CF. AF plus CF is equals to X plus 6 and BC is equals to CD, BD plus CD is equals to 8 plus 6 is equals to 14 centimeter. Here we write and radius ROA equals to OE equals to OD is equals to OF is equals to R is equals to 4 centimeter. We write here all the information about figure. Now start. Area of triangle ABC. First we find S. Here given we have given 3 sides. Therefore we find here S. S that means semi-perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. It is called A, B and C. Here X plus A plus X plus 6 plus 14 divided by 2 equals to 2x plus 8 plus 6 14 14 plus 14 is equals to 28 divided by 2 equals to 2 common x plus 14 divided by 2 cut. Therefore here x is equals to x plus 14. Now s minus a is equals to x plus 14 minus x plus a equals to x plus 14 minus x minus a is equals to 6. S minus b is equals to x plus 14 minus here x plus 6 is equals to x plus 14 minus x minus 6 is equals to 8 and s minus c is equals to x plus 14 minus 14 is equals to x. Here s, s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Now area of triangle ABC is equals to, we know Heron's formula area of triangle. What is Heron's formula? Area of triangle Yes, under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c equals to, what is s? S is equals to x plus 14. Here s minus a 6 into s minus b 8 into s minus c x equals to 6 8s are 48x x plus 14. Area of triangle ABC. Here result number 1. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle AOC plus AOB plus POC. Here it is a sum of this triangle plus this triangle and this triangle. It is a sum of these two triangles. It is area of triangle, suppose AOB. Then 1/2 base into height. Base is equal to x plus 8 and height is equal to 4. Here 1/2 base into height 14 into 4 and here x plus 6 into 4. We know area of triangle ABC is equal to AOB plus BOC plus AOC. Area of triangle is equal to sum of these three triangles. Here AOB is equal to 1/2 base. Base is equal to x plus 8 into 4 into height 4 plus BOC. BOC is equal to 1/2 into base 14 into height 4 plus 1/2 into base x plus 6 into height 4. Here x plus 6 and height 4. Now simplify this. 2x plus 16 plus 14 2s are 28 plus 2x plus 12. 2x plus 2x is equal to 4x plus 28 plus 28 is equal to 56 is equal to 4 into x plus 14. 4 is common and x 14 4s are 56. Now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Here area of triangle is equal to this. Root 48x into x plus 14 and here 4 into x plus 14. Root 48x into x plus 14 is equal to 4 into x plus 14. Okay. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. We squaring both sides here. Its under root is removed. Square root is removed. Therefore, 48x into x plus 14 is equal to 4 into x plus 14 whole square. Now here square root is removed because we take square. Now 48x x plus 14 is equal to 4 square 16 into x plus 14 x plus 14. Here 48 x into x plus 14 upon 16 is equals to x plus 14, x plus 14. Now 16 3s are. X plus 14 here is. Therefore 3x is equals to x plus 14. 3x minus x is equals to 14. 2x is equals to 14. So x is equals to 7. We get here x is equals to 7. Now here we find AB and AC. AB is equals to x plus 8. AB is equals to x plus 8 is equals to 7 plus 8 is equals to 15 centimeter, and AC is equals to x plus 6, 7 plus 6 is equals to 13 centimeter. Therefore our answer is AB is equals to 15 centimeter and AC is equals to 13 centimeter, which is our answer. Okay. Again, in triangle ABC, D is the point of contact and given BD is equals to CD. BD and CD, BD is equals to 8 centimeter, CD is equals to 6 centimeter, and radius is equals to 4 centimeter. Find AB and AC. We know circle touch the sides of triangle ABC and AB, BC and CD, CA at the point E, D, F. Now join OE, OD and OF. They are radii and their measures are 4 centimeter. Also join OA, OB and OC. Now side. AB is here. BD is equals to 8 centimeter. Therefore we know BE is equals to also 8 centimeter. CD is equals to 6 centimeter. Therefore CF is equals to 6 centimeter. And taking AE is equals to AF is equals to X centimeter. Therefore AB is equals to X plus 8. BC is equals to 8 plus 6, then 14, and AC is equals to X plus 6 centimeter. Here, now they are radii is equals to 4 centimeter. First we find here semi-perimeter and its measure is S is equals to X plus 14, S minus C is equals to 6, S minus B is equals to 8, and S minus C is equals to X. Find area of using Heron's formula. Area of triangle under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, under root x plus 14, 6 into 8 into x is equals to 48x, 6 is 48, x into x plus 14, result number 1. Now ABC is equals to, triangle ABC is made of 3 triangles, AOB plus BOC plus AOC. Then area of this triangle AOB is equals to 1/2 OE into AB, base into height. 1/2 we write here directly. 1/2 x plus 8 into 4 plus 1/2 14 into 4 plus 1/2 x plus 6 into 4. Then we get simplified 4 into x plus 14. Result number 2. From 1 and 2, compare these two results, varying both sides and then simplify. We get x is equals to 7. Therefore, AB is equals to 7 plus 8 is equals to 15 centimeter and AC is equals to 7 plus 6, 13 centimeter. Now, write down this question in your notebook.